Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Producers in the manufacturing industry paid more for inputs in the month of April. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica says the cost to produce outputs rose by 2.8% for the 12 months to April. This increase was primarily driven by an 8.1% surge in the price linked to inputs for food, beverages, and tobacco. But the industry's growth was tempered by a decline of 15.1% in prices from petroleum refined products. For the month of April alone, Statin says prices for producers within the manufacturing industry increased by 0.3%. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ says it's keeping a keen eye on the discussions taking place about the need to increase the U.S. debt ceiling. BOJ Governor Richard Biles says if a decision is not reached soon, the world could face even tighter economic conditions.
We certainly hope it comes to a soft landing during the course of this week, because it is not good for anyone throughout the world to have the U.S. be in a situation where they may default on payments or be unable to make payments. Most of our reserves are held in U.S. dollars, as is the case for most countries in the world. And so we all have that vested interest to see that, or to hope that that gets resolved very quickly.
The U.S. government has been trying to reach a decision to lift the self-imposed $31.4 trillion US dollar debt ceiling. Reuters reported today that it appears Democratic and Republican negotiators got more time to reach a deal to raise the ceiling, as Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said the government is likely to run out of money to pay its bills on June 5. That's 4 days later than previously predicted. Missing a payment in the U.S. could trigger a Wall Street meltdown of historic proportions. Of course, we'll keep tracking that development. As we head to the local foreign currency market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $155.33. $115.52 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $192.57, while it's costing $170.14 for the euro. The JSE Index gained 2,660 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by a point. Among the winners were Margaritaville Turks, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares, JMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments, US dollar shares, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now closing the week on the losing side, JMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Honey Bun, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and our parent company, Radio Jamaica. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.